Why is butyrate dope safer to use than nitrate dope? It is much less flammable. What are the two types of dope used for fabric finishes? Cellulose nitrate and cellulose acetate butyrate. What is the appearance of a blushing paint finish? Chalky or cloudy? What finishing defect is the result of paint room temperature that is too warm? Pinholes or blisters? What causes dope to blush? High humidity, moisture in the spray system, or application over a damp surface? What factors cause spray paint sags and runs? Inadequate surface preparation or paint sprayed on too thickly? What components or parts of the airframe must be protected from damage when using paint stripper? Windshields and windows, plastics, composites, synthetic rubber, and fabrics. What is the function of zinc chromate or wash primers? Primers serve to inhibit corrosion and provide a good bond between the metal and the top coats. Name several common types of paint used on aircraft. Zinc chromate and wash primers, synthetic enamels, acrylic lacquer, and polyurethane. What is the proper thinner used with zinc chromate primer? Toluene. What health and safety precautions must be observed when using the toxic solvents and thinners that are part of modern finishing systems? Respirators and/or masks must be worn when spraying finishes. If the spray painting dust causes a surface to appear dry and rough, what are the most likely causes? Too much air pressure or the spray gun is too far from the surface being painted. What causes orange peel? Spray pressure too high, use of thinner that dries too fast, cold temperatures, or a damp draft over the surface. What regulation governs the application of the registration numbers to aircraft registered in the United States? FAR Part 45. Other than appearance, what is another reason for touching up painted surfaces? Reduction or elimination of general corrosion problems. What references should be used to determine if a control surface must be checked and or rebalanced after painting? The manufacturer's service manual. What would be the effect if dope was used over paint or enamel? The dope tends to dissolve these materials. What are the three most commonly used methods of applying paint? Dipping, brushing, and spraying. What is the effect of paint on finishes if too much dryer is added to the paint? If the paint film will be brittle and tend to crack and peel. What paint systems may be used with epoxy top coats? Any paint system in good condition.